To fix Nvidia installer cannot continue error. First thing you want to do is go to your Windows search, type services, enter. From here, click any of these files right here and click T, and then you'll have to right click on task scheduler and click on refresh. Next thing is go back to your Windows search, type in registry editor, click on it, click on yes, and then from here we'll just fix these folders first. Alright, now once you pull up registry editor, go to your local machine and then go to system, and then from system go to current control set and then go to services. Right here you'll have to press T again until you find here time Brooker SVC. Now right click on start or double click on start, change the value data to 4, click OK, then close everything and then restart your PC. So that's how you troubleshoot Nvidia installer cannot continue error.